Hello everyone and welcome to Education Station. This video is an introduction to descriptive essays. Now after watching this video, you should be able to answer the following two questions. What is a descriptive essay and what are the features of descriptive essays? On the screen you will see words relating to descriptive essays. We call this vocabulary. What I would like you to do when you see this icon is to either think out loud or say a word right where you are and participate with me in an activity. Let's read these words. Adjectives, adverbs, features, describe, detail, setting, story, title, and senses. Now to have a look at the word describe, we are going to play a game. I'm going to show you an image of an object, which is also a noun, and what I'm going to do is make a statement about this object. Then I would like you to say whether you agree or disagree with my statement. So if you look at this word over here, disagree. Do you see that part in red? Can you remember what that is called if we add a little bit of a word before a main word or a stem? I hope you said prefix. Are you ready for the game? This is a small pink couch. Do you agree or disagree? Well, it is in fact a large blue couch. So the answer should have been disagree. Ready for the next one? This is a purple double-story house. Do you agree or disagree? Well, this is a yellow single-story house, so you should have said, I disagree. This is a colorful rainbow. Do you agree or disagree? If you said agree, you were right. Boys and girls, features are characteristics or traits of something that help us to identify what it is. And descriptive essays also have features. A descriptive essay is a piece of writing meant to describe a person or an event or an object in great detail. And we achieve this by using our five senses. Our five senses are sight, what we see, hearing, what we smell, what we taste, and what we can touch. But we do so when we write a descriptive essay in words. Now there are two parts of speech that help us when we have to describe objects. And they are called, wait, I would like you to tell me. They start with the first letter of the alphabet. They are adjectives and adverbs. On the screen you will see I have forgotten to say which is which, so here I need your help again. The first definition says, tell us more about verbs. How, where, when, why, how often, and to what extent something is being done. The next one says, tell us more about nouns, similar to the objects that I showed you in our game. What size, color or shape, what it tastes like, smell like, how it behaves. So which is which? Tell us more about verbs. Would that be adjectives or adverbs? I hope that you said adverbs because adverbs add to the verb, which means the part of speech that tell us more about nouns would be adjectives. I'm going to read you an example of a descriptive paragraph and have a look here. I've color-coded the sections in the paragraph where you can see an object, where you can hear and smell and taste and touch the information in the paragraph. Read with me. The warm sun made the grass glow like it was under a spotlight in our small backyard. My grandfather's rustic homemade chair, made from tree branches, rested in front of a short brown wall. When I sat down, it creaked loudly and shifted like an old sailor's boat. Nearby, I could hear birds chirping softly in the maple tree. A soft breeze with a smell of freshly cut grass gently turned the pages of my book as I drink some of my sweet tea. My backyard is the perfect place to sit and read. Did you experience what you could see, what you could smell? Could you taste that sweet tea? And that is what we try and achieve when writing a descriptive paragraph or essay. So I hope after watching this video, you can answer the following 2 questions. What is a descriptive essay? I hope that you said it's a piece of writing that describes a person or an event or an object in great detail. Then the second question, what are features of descriptive essays? You should have said we use descriptive words like adjectives and adverbs to describe either what we see in the paragraph or what we experience or do in the paragraph by appealing to somebody's senses. On this screen, you will see those words that we read at the beginning of the video. Now I'm going to give you a little bit of homework. I would like you to have a piece of paper or an activity book where you can copy these words to, and then I would like you to use your dictionary or any online resource to write down the definitions for each of these words. Happy writing!